Starfish. These amazing creatures live underwater. They are not really fish though, they are echinoderms, like their cousins, the sea urchins and sea cucumbers. Starfish live on the ocean floor. They come in many colors, shapes, and sizes. Some are smooth, while others have spiky skin. They are an important part of the ocean ecosystem. They help keep things in balance. There are over 2,000 species of starfish. Some are tiny, only a few centimeters across. Others can grow to be over a meter wide. Most starfish live in the salty waters of the ocean. They can be found in coral reefs, rocky shores, and even the deep sea. Some starfish prefer warm water, while others like it cold. No matter where they live, starfish are fascinating creatures. Starfish are carnivores. This means they eat meat. Unlike many other marine creatures that might feed on plants or plankton, starfish have a diet that primarily consists of other animals. This carnivorous nature is fascinating and plays a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. Their favorite foods are shellfish like clams, mussels, and oysters. These shellfish are abundant in the ocean and provide a rich source of nutrients for the starfish. The starfish's preference for these particular types of prey is due to their high protein content, which is essential for the starfish's growth and energy. Starfish have a very unusual way of eating. Unlike most animals that consume their food by chewing or swallowing, starfish have developed a unique method that allows them to access the nutritious insides of their prey without having to break the hard shells. They use their strong arms to pry open the shells of their prey. These arms are not only powerful, but also incredibly flexible, allowing the starfish to exert enough force to open even the toughest shells. The process of prying open a shell can take several minutes to hours, depending on the size and strength of the prey. Then they push their stomach out of their mouths and into the shell. This might sound strange, but it's an effective way for the starfish to digest its food. By extending its stomach into the shell, the starfish can begin the digestion process externally, breaking down the prey's tissues before pulling the stomach back inside. The starfish's stomach releases chemicals that digest the shellfish inside its own shell. These digestive enzymes are powerful and can break down the prey's tissues into a liquid form that the starfish can easily absorb. This method of external digestion allows the starfish to consume prey that would otherwise be too large or tough to eat. Once the food is digested, the starfish pulls its stomach back inside its body. This entire process of feeding and digestion is not only fascinating but also highlights the starfish's adaptability and efficiency as a predator. By retracting its stomach, the starfish can protect its digestive organs and prepare for its next meal. The starfish's unique feeding habits are a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life in the ocean. One of the most amazing things about starfish is their ability to regenerate. If a starfish loses an arm, it can grow a new one. This process can take several months or even a year. In some cases, a starfish can even regenerate its entire body from just one arm. This incredible ability helps starfish survive in the wild, where predators are always a threat. Section 5. The slow crawl of the starfish. Starfish may look still, but they can move. They have hundreds of tiny tube feet on their undersides. These tube feet are filled with seawater. By changing the water pressure in their feet, starfish can slowly crawl along the ocean floor. They can even climb rocks and coral reefs. Starfish may be slow, but they are determined movers. Section 6. The importance of being a starfish. Starfish play an important role in the ocean ecosystem. As predators, they help control populations of other animals, like shellfish. This helps keep the ecosystem in balance. Without starfish, the populations of their prey could explode, which could have negative effects on other species. Section 7. Dangers beneath the waves. Although starfish are tough survivors, they face many dangers. Pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction all threaten starfish populations. Pollution from chemicals and trash can poison starfish and damage their habitats. Climate change is warming the ocean waters, which can stress starfish and make them more susceptible to disease. Section 8. Starfish in peril. Starfish, also known as sea stars, are fascinating marine creatures that play a crucial role in the ocean's ecosystem. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, and are found in oceans all over the world. However, these beautiful and vital creatures are facing a significant threat. One of the biggest threats to starfish is a disease called sea star wasting syndrome. This devastating disease has been wreaking havoc on starfish populations for several years now. It starts with the appearance of small lesions on the starfish's body, which gradually expand and cause the tissue to decay. This disease causes starfish to develop lesions on their bodies and can be fatal. As the disease progresses, the starfish's arms may fall off, and the creature eventually disintegrates into a gooey mass. The speed at which this disease can kill a starfish is alarming, sometimes taking just a few days from the first signs of infection to death. Scientists are still studying the causes of this disease, but it is thought to be linked to warming ocean temperatures and pollution. The exact pathogen responsible for sea star wasting syndrome is still under investigation, but researchers believe that a virus or a bacterium could be the culprit. Environmental stresses, such as rising sea temperatures and increased pollution, may weaken the starfish's immune system, making them more susceptible to the disease. Sea star wasting syndrome has already killed millions of starfish along the Pacific coast of North America. The impact of this disease is not just limited to the starfish themselves. Starfish are keystone species, meaning they play a critical role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Their decline can lead to overpopulation of other marine organisms, such as sea urchins, which can then overgraze on kelp forests and other vital marine habitats. This cascading effect can disrupt the entire ecosystem, highlighting the importance of addressing this issue urgently. Efforts are being made to understand and combat sea star wasting syndrome. Marine biologists and researchers are working tirelessly to identify the pathogen and develop strategies to protect starfish populations. Public awareness and conservation initiatives are also crucial in supporting these efforts. By reducing pollution, mitigating climate change, and protecting marine habitats, we can help safeguard the future of starfish and the health of our oceans. Everyone can play a part in this mission. Simple actions, such as reducing plastic use, participating in beach cleanups, and supporting policies that protect marine environments, can make a significant difference. Together, we can ensure that starfish continue to thrive and contribute to the rich biodiversity of our oceans. Section 9. Protecting our stars. Starfish, also known as sea stars, are some of the most captivating and unique creatures in our oceans. With their vibrant colors and intriguing shapes, they play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. However, these beautiful creatures are facing numerous threats due to human activities and environmental changes. We can all do our part to protect starfish and their ocean homes. When we snorkel or dive, we should always be mindful of our surroundings, ensuring that we do not disturb their natural habitat. Observing starfish in tidal pools can be a magical experience, but it is important to remember to look and not touch, as even a gentle touch can harm these delicate creatures. One of the most significant threats to starfish and other marine life is plastic pollution. We can reduce our use of single-use plastics, which often end up in the ocean. Simple changes in our daily lives, such as using reusable bags, bottles, and straws, can make a big difference. By reducing our plastic footprint, we help create a cleaner and safer environment for starfish and other marine animals. Supporting organizations that are dedicated to cleaning up the ocean and combating climate change is another way we can make a positive impact. These organizations work tirelessly to remove debris from the ocean, restore damaged ecosystems, and advocate for policies that protect marine life. By donating our time or resources, we can help amplify their efforts and contribute to a healthier planet. By taking action to protect our planet, we can help ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Healthy coral reefs and clean beaches are not only vital for starfish, but also for the overall health of our oceans. When we protect these environments, we create a legacy of conservation and stewardship that benefits all forms of life. Imagine a future where children and families can enjoy the beauty of the ocean, marvel at the wonders of marine life, and understand the importance of preserving these natural treasures. Together, we can make this vision a reality by committing to sustainable practices and supporting efforts to protect our stars of the sea.